Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel Gurukul. Hello friends, today's topic is symmetry. So we are going to begin with this. So before starting, let me explain to you what is symmetry all about. If a figure is divided into two coincident parts, that is mirror images by a line, then a figure is called symmetrical about that line, and the line is called its lines of symmetry or axis of symmetry or mirror line. We may also say that the figure has a line of symmetry. Now, let me explain this by following this figure. Now a figure of an arrow has been given, and where we can clearly see a dotted line dividing it into two equal half. That means if we fold that figure on that through that dotted line, it will be equal in all its way. Similarly, follow this figure of a kite. This is the dotted line of symmetry. If we fold the kite through this dotted line, it will be equal in all its sphere. So this is what is called symmetry, and this dotted line is called the line of symmetry. Some figures have one line of symmetry, some have two. Like in this case, this is one line of symmetry. We can even divide like this. We have two lines of symmetry, and it can be even more depending on the figure. So now let us begin with exercise 12.1. We have to draw the line or lines of symmetry if any of the following shapes and count their number. Now this is 1/4 of a circle, so this can be only divided into two equal halves. So this is the line of symmetry and the number is just 1. This is a scalene triangle with all three sides of unequal length, so they have no line of symmetry. This figure, we can draw the line of symmetry in this way. Again, it has just one line of symmetry. This figure can be divided into two halves by drawing the line of symmetry like this. If we fold through this line, all the sides will be equal. Again, the number is 1. This figure, again, there are no line of symmetry here. Same case with this figure, no line of symmetry. Next figure. We just have one line of symmetry. This arrow, one line of symmetry, and the flower, one, two, and 3. So it has 3 lines of symmetry. Question number 2. Again we have to draw line or lines of symmetry, and then we have to count the number. Telephone, if we divide like this, it won't be equal. So it has to be like this. Here we have the line of symmetry, just 1. This chair, it can be divided just like this, having one line of symmetry. Now this flower, one, two, 3, 4. One more line of symmetry can be seen. So overall it has 5 lines of symmetry. Figure number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. Figure number 5, as you can see, is not clearly printed in my book, so I need to omit this figure. We'll come to the next one. Just one line of symmetry which divides the figure into 2 equal halves. Question number 3. Again the same question. We have to draw the line, all lines of symmetry, and then count their number. Number 1. One line of symmetry. Number 2. One line of symmetry. Number 3. One line of symmetry. Number 4. One line of symmetry each. Now question number 4. Again the same thing. We have to draw the line, all lines, and then count their number. Question number 4. The digit 3 has the line of symmetry passing midway through it. Just one. Question number 5. Digit 5. It has no line of symmetry. Number 6. Digit 6. Again it has no line of symmetry. Fourth figure is digit 8, which has 2 lines of symmetry. 1, 2. Question number 5. We have to draw the lines of symmetry and count their number. First figure, no lines of symmetry. Second figure, one line of symmetry. Third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. Fourth figure, 1, 2. 2 lines of symmetry. Fifth figure, 1 line of symmetry. Sixth one, 1, 2, 3. And this is the fourth line. So figure number 6 has 4 lines of symmetry. Now for question number 6. Question number 6 says that we need to write the words just look, and we have to write the letters which have no lines of symmetry. Now U can be divided, T can be divided, O can be divided. So the letters which has no lines of symmetry are J, S, L and K. Question number 7. We have to draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry. Question number 7, 1. A, B, C. It has just one line of symmetry, and this triangle ABC is equal to isosceles triangle. Number 2, we have to draw a triangle which has exactly two lines of symmetry. That is just not possible. Question number 3, we have to draw a triangle which has exactly three lines of symmetrical. That means we have to draw an equilateral triangle. A, B, C. This is an equilateral triangle where all three sides are equal. So it has three lines of symmetrical, and triangle ABC is equal to equilateral triangle. Question number 4. We have to draw a triangle which has no lines of symmetry. So it has to be a scalene triangle. C, D, E, where none of the sides are equal. So it has zero lines of symmetry, and triangle C, D, E is equal to scalene triangle. So here we come to the end of exercise 12.1. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all for every update.